In this video, I'll show you how to optimize Minecraft Bedrock. Firstly, controls how far you can see in the game with render distance. Reducing this setting will have a significant impact on FPS as fewer chunks are being rendered. Just go to Settings, Video, and lower the render distance to a value that balances visual quality and performance. 2. Anti-aliasing. Turn off anti-aliasing to improve FPS if your device struggles with rendering sharp edges, and disable bitmaps if you need a free app sources, especially on lower-end devices. So set the smooth lighting off or minimum for better performance as it reduces lighting effects. And finally, disable VSync if you're getting input lag or want a slight FPS boost. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.